Hey guys, welcome back to PopItDk, and today we are here to discuss about something very important which is happening on WhatsApp, and it is about WhatsApp as well. I hope 90% of the viewer of this channel is already aware of what I am going to talk about today. So we are here to talk about Pink WhatsApp. What is Pink WhatsApp? What are the features of Pink WhatsApp? Is it a new update of WhatsApp? Basically, we will be knowing what Pink WhatsApp is. So let's get started.
Feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Let me be very clear with my words today. Pink WhatsApp is not WhatsApp. It's not any official update of WhatsApp that you are going to install or that you are missing out. It's a virus that is spreading over WhatsApp. So let us try to understand how this virus is spreading. Basically, it started with one user and then it is spreading to multiple other users, like what we see in the zombie apocalypse movie, where it starts with one, then spreads to 10, 100,000 and then into millions. So what is happening actually, let's say a mobile device is affected with this virus called Pink WhatsApp, and whenever someone is pinging that particular user or sending whatever message, not only on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Messenger and on other messaging applications. So whenever someone is pinging that particular user, automatically this virus is sending a message to the other users asking them to install this new feature of WhatsApp, which is called the Pink WhatsApp. And we all are aware that if there is something new in the market, we all wish to try it, as if in the fear of FOMO, fear of missing out. We would like to install it, we would like to explore the features, and that is what is making us prey of that particular virus. So what this virus is doing is, whenever you are getting a link, the link will be like this. You can see in the screen. So basically what the normal users are doing is, whenever they are getting a link of this kind, they are clicking on that link and the link is asking for some permissions, something, and what the users are doing it, they are simply clicking on allow, what we have done generally in case of all the other applications, and the malicious virus have all the access. And many a times people have said that they are even not giving the access, it is automatically getting the accesses. So what we have to do is, whenever we get a link of this kind, we have to immediately delete it. And if we are clicking on that link, then the virus have all the access, and it is not only limited to WhatsApp, Messenger or Telegram. The virus have access to everything. Everything means everything, you name it and it have the access, starting from your banking OTP, your messages, even to your gallery. People have even said that their gallery have also been accessed. So I'd like to request you to, whenever you get these kind of messages, delete the message immediately. And if you want to do some other research, a single Google search will tell you how much harmful this Pink WhatsApp virus is. Even Mumbai police have sent an advisory asking people or trying to aware people about the scam of Pink WhatsApp, because there has been a case where somebody have lost a huge amount of money because of this Pink WhatsApp. But what if you are already the victim of this virus? What if the virus is already in your device? What you need to do? Basically, there is no way of checking how this application is functioning or how this application got into your mobile. What we can do is, we can check if the application is there in our device or not. But if we are scrolling the application section trying to find out Pink WhatsApp, if we are going to applications and checking if there is Pink WhatsApp, we will not get any result, because this virus is hidden. Only way of getting to know that if you are affected or not is to check your WhatsApp. If you can see that there is messages from your side to others stating, hey, download Pink WhatsApp, then you are hacked. That means your device is compromised and the application is sending out messages. In that case, the only option left is you have to transfer all your data to some other device and reset your phone. The only option is to format your phone, because we do not know how this application is functioning or what are the details or the functions that it is using that we will revoke. So basically there is nothing we can do except for resetting the mobile. So transfer all your data to some other device and reset your phone. So stay safe and do not click on any kinds of malicious link or any kind of link which you do not trust. I hope this video about pink WhatsApp was helpful, and do not forget to share this video with others so that they can be aware of these kinds of threat at the same time. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we love to bring these kinds of videos so that our society can be better. We, you, me and everybody can learn something new each day. Bye bye, see you and take care.